did our first stamp. We're at Haneda Airport, and the first time we came here, I ended up going to 7-Eleven and picking up a matcha donut, and it was just by happenstance. I just wanted something sweet and matcha flavored, so I just grabbed the first thing that I saw there, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So now we're gonna go back over a year later and see if they still have those donuts. If they don't, they don't, but we're gonna give it a try, so let's go check it out. Ooh, pan. Melon pan. I am afraid we are out of luck. I do not see it. It's okay. Maybe elsewhere. John's picking it up those steps. Wow. I'm breathing heavy.
on the left side will open.
Oh wow, yeah. They have everything. It's really wonderful. That's the one I got. Almost went with this one. I've seen it online, but in person it's just beautiful. And that's the back. I mean, the contrast is lovely. Colors are amazing. And then this was another favorite too. Stationery dreams are all coming true. I saw this Nina Perron cover and it is just gorgeous. Each one is different, little variations.